Hello, this is the CuteCraftieCook. You can just call me Carla. It is April the 9th. The time is 7:58 a.m. If you are new to my channel, welcome and thank you for visiting. While you are here, buckle up. If the shoe fits, slip, slide, clickety clack. If it doesn't, don't force it. If you are the messenger, pass it along. I'm going to read for the energy of Virgo and Leo. I'm not saying that these energies are intertwined. I'm just saying this is what they called me to read for. Virgos and Leos. So, slip, slide, clickety clack. Personalized reading, products, all of that. Description below. This is my messages from heaven deck, and this is where they're telling me to start. To my God, to my ancestral guides, to my spiritual guides. Sun, moon, earth, air, fire, and water. What is the messages that you have for Virgos and Leos? Face up cards for clarity, please, and thank you. Messages from heaven for Virgos and Leos. Face up cards for clarity, please, and thank you. Messages from heaven. Thank you. Don't be afraid. Messages from heaven, Virgos, Leos. I will always point you in the right direction. Thank you. We will be together again soon. Face up cards for clarity, please, and thank you. We have been together in dreams. I always kiss you goodnight. I'll take one more. Face up for clarity, please, and thank you. And I have thank you. I am sorry, please forgive me. Okay, bottom of the deck. Life is a series of choices. Choose love. Now I have no pain. I am just a thought away. I am with the rest of the family. Take that one too. Okay. This is right here. They're telling me to put these three cards together. I am with the rest of the family. I am just a thought away. Now I have no pain. Flowers and water are very significant. Virgos and Leos. Flowers and waters and waters and water. Flowers and water is very important. And I just gotta chill. The yellow flowers. Whatever it is that you guys have going on, and I'm saying you guys because I don't know how else to put it. If this has not happened, and I'm saying this because they are telling me to say it this way, if this has not happened, someone, this is a message to prepare you for something, or it's a message from someone saying that I'm good. Everything is okay. I'm with family. You don't have to worry about that. Whatever it is that you got going on, it's like they saying they're going to point you in the right direction, and they pointing you in the direction of love. Virgos, Leos, however the shoe fit, they're pointing you in the direction of love. Excuse me, I guess that's confirmation. And this, I'm sorry, please forgive me, it's going with this one. They telling me I had to leave that way. And I'm hearing they have to leave that way. They have to, not had to. Okay, this is still coming from somebody's family member, and they're basically telling somebody to get prepared for a loss or their own demise. But I'm just a messenger, okay? But somebody's gonna have to leave a certain way. And they're saying, don't be afraid. We'll be together again. It's like they keep saying a message of warning. We've been together in dreams. I'll always kiss you goodnight. They said just take that however it fits. Somebody's being pointed in the direction of love because there's a loss coming. And they're apologizing. This person that's on the other side is apologizing for the way that this loss is coming. And that's why they're saying, I always point you in the right direction. And they're pointing you in the direction of love. My back just started itching. To my God, to my ancestral guides, to my spiritual guides, sun, moon, earth, air, fire, and water. Leos and Virgos. Face up cards for clarity, please, and thank you. Leos and Virgos. Face up cards for clarity, please, and thank you. Bottom of the deck. Self-reliance. Ow. Bump my elbow. Thank you. Let go. Oh my gosh. My back is itching. I apologize. Let go. They are telling me it's like whatever you're holding on to is causing you delay in your rebirth or forward movement. Face up cards for clarity. Leos, Virgos. Thank you. Take root. Leos, Virgos. Face up cards for clarity, please, and thank you. Leos, Virgos. Thank you. Confidence. It's like you have to, this is across the board again, however the shoe fits. Once you let go of something, you'll be able to, again, start moving forward and taking root. And that's going to start to bring self-confidence and you building self-confidence, Virgos, Leos. Face up cards for clarity. Thank you. Intuition, 12, 13. Trust in your intuition, 1, 2, 3. 1, 2, 3 means you're on the right path. Face up for clarity, please, and thank you. You're on the path that God has put you on. Oh my goodness. I guess you want that. Communication from spirit guides, ancestors, past on loved ones, however you want to put it. 35, 36, 29, 35, 12, 13, 36, 37. Reach out. Spirit guides reaching out to you, trying to communicate with you. Dreams. Thank you. Creating. Balance. Okay. Again, letting go of whatever it is going to give you balance and get you to your point, your state of whatever it is that you do, being you. I heard being creatively you, doing the things that you enjoy doing, but you have someone or someone's reaching out to you, trying to reach out to you from the spiritual realm, and they're coming to you in your dreams. They're trying to guide you again to help you get this balance so you can build up your confidence and just trust your intuition. Remember, they had me call out these numbers: 29, 35, 12, 13, 36, 37, 25, 11. But with confidence and intuition, they telling me 1, 2, 3. 1, 2, 3 again means you are on the right path. You are on the path that God wants you to be on. Okay? Virgo, Leo, face up cards for clarity, please and thank you. It's something that you're going to have to face. My left ear just started itching as soon as I said that. It's something that you're going to have to face. And that's why they're saying let go, because if you keep holding on, oh my God, it's going to, I don't even know how to put it. Holding on is not going to stop the inevitable. Last one from this deck. I know y'all heard the refrigerator start. Oh my God. My ear. It's my left ear specifically. Oh my God. Virgo, Leo, face off for clarity. Protection. You have it. You have spiritual protection. That's, again, to help build your confidence. And then look, 12 too. Building your confidence. Knowing you are protected. Thank you. Propagating energy. So, oh my God. I thought I was about to sneeze. Propagating energy. Just, can y'all... I'm just trying to figure out if you're going to let me talk or you going to... It's got to be negative energy. Fuck it with me. Anyway. But propagating energy, taking... oh my God. I'm trying to think how to put this. They're saying like, almost like manifesting. Just taking the energy that's around you, and if it's negative energy, taking it and turning it into positive energy. By like something that I do is like when I do my meditation, if I feel like negative energy is around me, I just ask my ancestors to take that energy, remove the intentions, take the energy, cleanse the energy in the universe, and disperse it amongst those who need it the most. That's just something that I do. I return the intentions with no harm attached to the sender. So that's just an example. Okay. What else? Face up cards for clarity, please and thank you. Confidence. Thank you. Friendship. Remember, they sending you towards love. The bottom of the deck is growth, self-healing, transformation, relaxed energy, justice, prosperity. Self-reliance is back up here. So it's like Virgos, Leos. This is basically, it's two things what I'm getting. It's preparing somebody for something that's coming, and also saying what you need to do with the energy and everything like that, as well as letting somebody know that it's okay to let go. Somebody's holding on that doesn't want to let go. Somebody's holding on out of fear of letting go. And it's like, you don't have to be afraid to let go. You can let go of this situation. It's fine. It's going to be okay. Like, it's time for you to just start believing in yourself and being confident. And whoever this person is that's your love, it doesn't have to be romantic. It could, like, it's a friendship. and this person is reaching out to you in the physical. You have somebody trying to reach out to you in the spiritual, and you have someone reaching out to you in the physical. Or if they're not reaching out, someone that you can go to or you can reach out to, however the shoe may fit. Virgos, Leos. Virgos, Leos. 15:15. To my God, to my ancestral guides, to my spiritual guides, sun, moon, earth, air, fire, and water. Virgos, Leos. Face up cards for clarity, please and thank you. I'm doing two and splitting as I go. Oh, I didn't split. Thank you. Face up cards for clarity, please and thank you. Virgos, Leos. Face up cards for clarity. What messages from the here do you want confirmed? Do you know? I said no to that card and they say yes. Forced into sexual activity, sometimes with the same sex. Face up cards for clarity. Direction, not knowing where you're going. No more cloudy days. The storm is over now. Whatever happened, this is why they're saying you need to let go. Whatever happened, even if it was whatever you were forced into, okay? It's like you need to let that energy go. Whatever it is that you were forced into, you need to let that shit go and find your balance in. And who, if you need to confide in somebody, that's why they're saying go to love, choose love. Because whatever, the storm is, no more cloudy days, the storm is over now. For some. For some, the storm is ending. Face up cards for clarity, please and thank you. Leos, Virgos, thank you. Divorce. The storm is over. I will take it how it fits. Face up cards for clarity, please and thank you. Leos, Virgos. One more, thank you, Leos, Virgos. We have you, multiple properties, apartments, child care, abundance, never loved me, and art. Letting go. It's okay to let go. Somebody never loved you, or you never loved them, however the shoe fits. Child care. Somebody could be pregnant. Remember this card? Let go. It could be a pregnancy. I guess that was some confirmation. Art and you. The initial U. Or the letter U, excuse me. The letter U. Oh, shit. You don't have to carry the weight alone. They are there to guide you, lighten the load, let them help. Face up cards for clarity, please and thank you. Car accident was on the bottom of the deck. 6. Face up cards for clarity, please and thank you. Virgos, Leos. Virgo, Leos. Face up for clarity. One of a kind, can't be replaced. Virgos, Leos. Face up for clarity, please and thank you. Thank you, thank you. Social media. I pray for your safety every day. Virgos, Leos. Thank you. Unprotected sex. Forced into sexual activities and not able to use protection, or, oh my God. stepchild, child care, cousin. Facing consequences of actions. They telling me to take that out. Oh my God. How much more confirmation do you need? You don't want that. Okay. I'm gonna leave that like that. Modern day prophet. Homebody. Somebody prefers to stay indoors. All of your underhanded activities will be exposed with receipts. You want to stay Arizona. Niece. Video. Life partner, soul connection. Past lives together, unbreakable. Stop trying. For whatever you sow, you will reap. V. Gemini. You don't want the Mickey. You don't want that. No. You don't want that. For those, I should say. So what am I putting back on top? Just put... Oh, shit. I didn't see that. They using heavy black magic to keep you attached to them. That could be a cause why you're not letting go. Or it's been hard to let go. Childish mentality. I've experienced life without you and it sucks. I won't fuck up again. Take me back. Presence of God is here. Settlement going in your favor. Yes, this is your shoe size. Hidden cameras. Something was caught on camera. Remember video. Sister. What's up under sister? New York. Embezzlement, extortion. Fatal. Oh my gosh. Face your fears in order to overcome them. It's not your punishment, it's theirs. Stabby, stabby. You fucked around, now you finding out. You will learn your lesson now. Daughter. Vacation, friend. A vacation friend. Maybe somebody has a vacation friend that they can confide in. Y'all not using the whole deck. That's fine with me. To my God, to my ancestral gods, to my spiritual gods, sun, moon, earth, air, fire, and water. Leos, Virgos, face up, cards for clarity, please and thank you. I'm feeling real uncomfortable. Excuse me. Real uncomfortable. Face up cards for clarity, please and thank you. And nervous as fuck. Nauseous. Virgos, Leos, thank you. Performer of arts. Excuse me. Art was down there. Somebody's likes painting or likes collecting art. Face up cards for clarity. Broken hearted over you. Face up cards for clarity, please and thank you. My readings are always timeless, so when you come across this is when it's for you. I timestamp them because that's just something I do. They're your lover friend because you have money. Large corporations involved. Oh, don't do it. Somebody see you and they want to offer you help. Don't do it. It's a setup. Some type of setup. I don't know, but that's just what they said. Somebody want to offer you some help. You don't know them, but it's something with a dirty corporation. Don't do it. That's a side. Face up cards for clarity. Virgo, Leo. Virgos, Leos. Face up cards for clarity, please and thank you. Virgos, Leos. Face up cards for clarity, please and thank you. Yep, I'm going to split the deck. I don't want a part to this. I really don't. You pray for them to die. God said your prayers are not your fate, your demise. R.I.P. Red. There was a leak in information. You'll find the evidence inside the special box. The special box. No more second chances. I'm done. God said you don't go low. You stay put. He'll go low for you. Maintain your dignity. Your enemies will watch you eat. Car accident. Wasn't that on the bottom of the deck? Inheritance. Safe deposit box. They dream of marrying you. They want to have a life with you. Stop being afraid and tell them how you truly feel. Y'all want the same things, simple things. Somebody's inheritance is going to be inside of a safe deposit box. Relocating to warmer weather. Arizona was down there. Hood rat. Your best friend is the one sleeping with your partner, but act like they don't like them. They a hood rat. I mean, that explains that. Adoption. Secret voice recordings reveal the truth. You can't say it's not you. You said your name, or somebody said their name. Oh my God. Death magic spells. Sex. Secret addictions. Drugs, sex, alcohol. Death magic spells explain a lot. X. Dark tarot reader. Doing death magic. Love of my life. New job, career. They could have been doing that, saying that this person is the love of their life, and it just wasn't meant to be. Someone seeking revenge. Don't take it lightly. H. They have the power to heal. Exotic. Taller. I'm leaving that there. I'm just putting this here. How many more sections? 2 more. Pull from here. To my God, to my ancestral God, to my spiritual God, sun, moon, earth, air, fire, and water. Face up cards for clarity, please and thank you. I want to get out of this. I don't feel comfortable. I'm not pulling anymore after this. I'm sorry. Final messages for Virgos, Leos. Face up cards for clarity, please and thank you. That's why I grabbed as much as I did. Yeah. Because I don't want to pull again. Lies on the bottom of the deck. You want that out there. Nasty bitch. S. C. 8. You don't want 8? No. Multiple skills, talents. Yes. Mutual feelings. Worship devil. F. No. You want me to stop there? Okay. You don't want those. You don't want the... Okay. The performer of the arts. Multiple skills, talents. Face up cards for clarity. Leos, Virgos. Final messages. Their death will expose more lies and set you free. Leos, Virgos. Face up cards for clarity, please and thank you. Yes, I want out. The money they stole is in stocks and bonds under a company name. That's why you can't find it. It's dirty company. And so the motherfuckers who stole your money or stole somebody's money gonna go to this person trying to make them some type of offer to fuck them over again. Things are gonna continue this way until you decide to do things differently. Face up for clarity. Virgos, Leos, open your eyes, take off the shit stained glasses. You're being forced to see what you continue to turn a blind eye to. Virgos, Leos, face up for clarity, please and thank you. I want to get out of this. I feel so fucking extra anxious. What goes around comes around. Sincerely apologetic. Exotic service, male, female escort. Face up cards for clarity. Remember exotic? Here go exotic right here. I said escort services, exotic escort services. However, face up cards for clarity, please and thank you. Virgos, Leos. Oh, these letters could be first, last, initials, middle, however it shoe fits. Your business will be successful. Keep going. Flowers. Didn't I say flowers was important? I will. Look, I want the fuck out of this. I'm trying my best to even get through this shit and do how I said. I said two and then split. So let me do that, please. Oh my God. I'm shaking so fucking bad. I want out of this energy. Face up cards for clarity, please and thank you. I'm done. Leos, Virgos, I hope this helped. Take care. Be blessed. Have the day.